In this lesson, we'll learn the characters ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Before we begin, let's talk about how to create long vowels in katakana. In hiragana, we would create long vowels by adding a vowel to the end of a character. In katakana, we would add a line to the end of a character to extend the vowel sound. For example, sakka, which means soccer, keiki, which means cake, rope, which means rope. The first character we'll learn is ka. 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 Which of these characters is ka? Ka. Kaado. Kaado. Ocarina. Ocarina. The next character we'll learn is ki. 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 Which of these characters is ki? Ki. Kiwi. Kiwi. Kisu. Kisu. The next character we'll learn is ku. 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 Which of these characters is ku? Ku. Quiz. Quiz. Make. Make. The next character we'll learn is ke. 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 Which of these characters is ke? Ke. Keiki. Keiki. Care. Care. The final character we'll learn is ko. 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 Which of these characters is ko? Ko. Koko wa. Koko wa. Aircon. Aircon. We learned the characters ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. In the next lesson, we'll learn the characters ga, gi, gu, ge, ko. See you in the next video!